Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to this stunning walking tour of Cable Beach, Bahamas. I'm excited to take you along on this journey as we explore the crystal clear waters, sandy beaches, and breathtaking views that this destination has to offer. Before we get started, I want to ask you to hit that like button if you're excited to join me on this tour. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring more exciting content like this to you.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Also, don't forget to write a comment below the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Let's start our tour. Cable Beach is a 2.5-mile stretch of stunning white sand and crystal clear waters located in Nassau, Bahamas. As we walk along the beach, you'll see the most amazing shades of blue and turquoise that you've ever seen. The water is so clear that you can see right through it, and it's perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and even parasailing. Along the beach, you'll find several luxurious resorts and hotels that offer world-class amenities and breathtaking views of the ocean. These resorts offer an array of water sports and activities to enjoy while staying on Cable Beach. You can rent jet skis, paddle boards, kayaks, and even go on a banana boat ride. As we continue our walk, we'll come across several beach bars and restaurants that offer delicious Bahamian cuisine and drinks. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour of Cable Beach, Bahamas. I hope you enjoyed the stunning scenery and crystal clear waters as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below the video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.